Hi guys, today we're going to be making another quick and easy fun centerpiece for the holiday season. So let's get started. First, you want to make sure you have wine glasses that have wide enough mouths. I used an oversized red wine glass. I would suggest you use the same, just an oversized one. Especially if you're going to be using large ornaments like these, the glass ones that I'm using are really big. I highly recommend actually that you use both big and small size ornaments just to give yourself some space inside and just to give it a nice dimensional look. Here I'm just playing around with how I want to stack them all. I actually stacked them a little too high to the rim of the glass, which I realized later on. You'll see me struggling with them later on. I realized by glass number 3 that the smaller balls worked a lot better on the bottom of the glass, and you'll see why I'm saying that. Here's where I realized my dilemma when it was time to turn them upside down onto the charger. You can see what I mean. So the closer to the rim that you stack the big ornaments, the harder of a time you're gonna have getting the glass to stand up. So off camera, I did a little rearranging with the balls and the glass. Adding some fake snow here. Let me tell you something about the fake snow. It gets everywhere. Oh my goodness. So I'm just cleaning it up before I add some last finishing touches. I had some leftover frosted pine cones from my previous project, so I added a few of those. Honestly, you can add any small to medium sized accessories you may have just to make it your own, anything you want. Same thing with the candles. It's a choose your own adventure kind of thing. You can use real tea light candles. I just used the battery operated ones because my mom didn't want real flames on her table. So shout out to you, Mom. I do want to say, if you're using glass ornaments, be careful. I had a casualty. Just be careful with them, they're really delicate. And that's the final look. It's really simple and cute and a super easy DIY project for the holidays. I hope you guys enjoy yours.